Hello, this is CJ with CJ's DIY channel, and I've got a little project today. It should be pretty easy. What I'm going to do is, most of you that do any kind of metal work, welding and whatnot, you probably already know, at least my metal supply company up where I live. Most of your, angle iron, channel iron, that kind of stuff comes in 20-foot pieces, 20-foot long stock length pieces, and they will cut it down for you in half. They'll cut it down to 10-foot pieces for a charge. But then, of course, if you have a project that you need longer than 10-foot pieces, well, then you're kind of out of luck. So when I built this trailer, I bought 20-foot long pieces, and I borrowed a trailer from a friend that was a 16-foot trailer. And of course 4 foot hung off the end, but we tied it up, secured it good, and put a red tape on the end of it for safety reasons, which is legal. So I got this idea in my head to this trailer is 12 foot long, and the ramp is 4 foot long. So I got to thinking, well, I could just, if I secured this ramp with chains, if I hooked a chain on each side from here down to the side down here, and that would effectively make the trailer 16 foot long, so that I could go haul material that's 20 foot long, and I wouldn't have to worry about trying to borrow a trailer, a 16-foot trailer or something from a friend, and I could just haul it on my own trailer. So that's what I'm going to do today. I went and bought some chain, and for attachment of the chain, I'm just going to use through bolts, and I can take it on and off when I want. That's what I'm going to do today. And so I'm going to go ahead and get set up and start doing this project. Okay, so if you didn't catch that, I made a little mistake here, and I should have just done one hole first, no matter which one, and got my chain on there, and then positioned my next hole exactly where the chain length ended at, so that the ramp would stay level. So what I'm going to end up doing, I think, now that I've got my holes all drilled, is I'm going to go get a turnbuckle and probably cut out 3 or 4 links here and put in a turnbuckle in the middle, and then you can adjust it to exactly where you need it to be. That way I don't have to worry about exactly where those holes were at. I was trying to be too precise, I guess. I measured exactly 12 inches from the end to this line. I thought that might be a good location, 12 inches from the end. And then up here I measured exactly center line of my rear post. So I got center line of this post, 12 inches from that end. Sounded good when I did it, but wasn't thinking about the links in the chain not coming out perfect, and so it's a little off to where the gate now hangs down just a little bit past level with the floor. So that's why I'm going to end up getting some turnbuckles and putting on there. I'm going to go ahead and put the other side on in this manner, and then when I get the turnbuckles I'll add those later. Well, no doubt I need to lose some weight, but obviously I forgot to lock the coupler down on the ball on the back of my lawnmower. So when I went to step on that, it raised the whole trailer up. But I got that secured on there now, so we'll see if it'll hold me now. Okay, so I got some turnbuckles here, and we'll go get those installed, and this project will be complete. Okay, so I got it done. Got the turnbuckle on there. You can see how that works. It just pulls it up tight there. It is now level with the rest of the bed, and